Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make GIF live wallpaper Android. Setting a GIF as live wallpaper on your Android is easy. Just like changing your wallpaper through the settings and can be done in only few taps. And here's the step-by-step guide using the Video Live Wallpaper app. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Google Play Store. Search for Video Live Wallpapers. Install Video Live Wallpaper or trusted developer app. Once installed, you can tap the open, then allow all media and storage permissions when prompted by tapping the settings, then hit permissions. Here, tap photos and videos, then hit always allow all, then go back to main dashboard. On the app's main screen, browse by scrolling to your gallery and choose the video you want to use as wallpaper. And also enable the video so it plays continuously if there's an option. You can also adjust video scale or crop to fit your screen properly by toggling this option, but I think there is no option for this and I think the scale to fit was better, so toggle it on again. And you can also turn on the audio. Then tap to set launcher wallpaper. You can tap the preview in the top right to see how it looks on your home screen. Tap on the preview again, then confirm by tapping the set wallpaper. Exit the app and enjoy your video live wallpaper in action. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.